Unpacking Bags of Mastering British Slang for Ample Understanding. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase from British English, bags of. It's a quirky, yet popular way to express having a lot of something. Whether you're a language enthusiast or looking to polish your English fluency, understanding such expressions can be incredibly useful. So, let's unravel the mystery of bags of together. Bags of is a British slang term that translates to having a lot of something. It's a metaphorical expression, imagining that one has so much of a thing that it fills several bags. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from describing tangible items, like money or time, to intangible feelings, like confidence or happiness. For example, saying, "He has bags of money," means he is very wealthy, and "she has bags of confidence," implies she is extremely confident. To incorporate bags of into your vocabulary, it's important to understand its usage through examples. Positive context. We've got bags of time before the movie starts. Let's grab a coffee. Negative context. It's less commonly used in a negative sense but might be found in humorous or sarcastic remarks, such as, "He has bags of bad ideas." Remember, bags of is mainly used in informal conversations. It's perfect for casual chats but might not be suitable for formal contexts. Bags of isn't the only phrase that conveys abundance. Similar expressions include loads of, tons of, and plenty of. Each of these can be used interchangeably in many contexts, although the choice might depend on regional preferences or the speaker's style. That wraps up our exploration of bags of. We hope this video sheds light on how versatile and colorful the English language can be, especially when it comes to expressions of quantity. Remember, mastering such phrases will not only enhance your fluency but also enrich your conversations with native speakers. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have bags of success in your language learning journey. See you in the next video.